Why everyone should eat Moong Dal. Benefits you didn't know. Moong is one of the pulses that is widely consumed in the subcontinent due to its nutritional value. It is a dal that does not cause heaviness in the stomach. Eating it does not cause bad breath, while eating other pulses causes bad breath. Moong Dal is light and easy to digest. Therefore, doctors usually advise the patients to feed Moong Dal with rice. It is a very beneficial food for patients and those with weak stomach. Strengthens the heart. Increases blood, flesh and strength. 5. It is useful to add black pepper and black cumin when cooking moong. However, if consumed in fever, it should never be mixed. 6. The water in which mung beans are soaked is curative in smallpox, fever of all kinds and typhoid. Moong Dal flour is an excellent skin cleanser and anti-aging agent. It can also be used instead of soap. It cleans the dust and does not have any bad effect on the skin. Hair is also washed with this flour. Its paste is helpful for hair growth and removing dandruff. If powder of Moong Dal is applied to the breasts, it stops milk from coming out of the breasts as it prevents the mammary glands from swelling. Moong Dal is eaten cooked or raw or boiled as a food. Its peel can be ground into flour. This flour is used in many dishes, especially Chinese and Indian. Green mung beans are also cooked and eaten as a vegetable.